It does sound nice and quiet out here, doesn't it? Ooh, you can see the wind affecting it. I think that when you first turn it on, it calibrates some sort of accelerometer because it was on an angle, and just by itself it wants to fly backwards. Or is that just the wind? Maybe it's a combination of both? We'll have to test it inside. Okay, how to do a flip. I'm going full blast forward. It's very windy. I'm gonna try in just a second. The wind is blowing it. Okay. But if I turn it around, it's just gonna go flying that direction. See? I'm gonna have to keep. Whoa. Whoa. Come over here. We're good. We're good. I got it.
Looks like a bug.
It's so quiet outdoors. It looks what? Oh, I will. Whoa! That was scary. I'm gonna try. Nope. I just was about to hit the ground from a gust of wind, so I killed it. I think it'll be alright. I just have to be more aggressive there. This is difficult to keep it steady, let alone do tricks. Here we go. I'm gonna try it. I don't know how though. Yeah! I did it! Wait, you didn't see it? Are you kidding me? Max didn't see it. I'll try. Okay, ready? Whoa! That's awesome. Yeah!
Can't wait to watch this video. Oh wait, the camera's not on.
It's on.
Oh.
Oh, Glass has the video. That's so difficult. Not really. You want to play with it, Max? You want to try? So how you do a flip, you just push the button and just tilt to one side. Okay? So push, and then come back to where you were. Yeah, but get it up in the air first, and then get used to, whoa. Hold on, hold on. Okay, there. You're good. Gentle. You're fine, just gentle. Good recovery. Try a flip. You push and hold, do the thing, and then let go. Your trigger, that, so you push. Really?
Yeah, it's not doing it.
Try now. Nice!
You want to turn right?
That was great. Okay, it's just like before. Be gentle. Forward a little bit. Yeah, perfect. It's a little windy. Kill it. Don't Don't panic, Marie. You're fine. Just tilt the way you want it to go. You got this. The higher up you go, the more wind there will be. Good job. What happened?
It's going for a land.
Let's see. Just tilt forward and it'll start to come back. There you go.
Somebody else?
Next, go for it.
Do it.
Okay. Why don't you want to? Failure to launch. Woo! It's windy. No, it's Saturday. Did you just see that, Marie?
Yeah. Whoa!
I tried to do a double flip, but I was too close to the ground. That's my next goal. Double flip. No. Yikes. I'm glad I'm not doing it with the camera on it. It's a little bit sensitive. No! It's too windy. We've been going for 8 minutes. No! Recover! I tried. It's so worth 60 bucks. Yeah, it's definitely picking up.
Lift up.
Whoa. Did you see that sudden updraft?
Yeah.
It just kind of lifted up there.
The thing is,
Trying to keep it
like
steady. No, on the video it'll hear you. I think so, at least. We heard the piano right near me. I played piano and it worked fine, so it should be fine.
You're taking a video of you playing piano?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here we go. Almost. Max, last little bit of juice.
Do it.
Nice! Good one.
That was a good lead whacker.
Forward. There you go. Careful to forward. You don't have to kill it. You would have been fine. Yeah. Just fight it. Push forward. When I was holding it still there, I was pushing quite a bit forward. There you go. More forward. More forward. Or is it dying? Forward. Forward. That'll be a good video. Take off and push forward right away. Not that much. Forward more. Is it dying? No, we're good. Forward. More. There you go. Fight the wind. You got this. As much as you can. Well done. Oh. You're good. Ah.
It's coming towards me. No, it's going towards
That's a good thought. You're gonna have to take off and go forward right away, but you can make it. You can make it from this right now. Oh. Okay. There you go. Fighting the wind's kind of fun. Woo! Dive bomb. It's getting windier, so be careful. You're gonna have to push forward a lot. Not that much though. Get off the ground first. Okay. Forward a little more. There you go. Not too much. More power. Was that max power? When you're about to hit the ground, give it a little more thrust. That camera must suck up some juice, because it's cameraless right now. Nice. Nice save. Kill it. Go ahead. Oh, you read it when you... Okay. Got it. I was giving it full blast there. I might be just about dead. In fact, yep, it's dead. One last flip.